I just went over this, but I was asked to record it, so I'm going to record it again. Before I get started with going into that stuff, one of the things that becomes really important is I need you guys to be able to read, right, what the different stuff is that you guys are uploading to me. So when you do an image, right, make sure that it's close enough in, even if you have to move some of this stuff around to squeeze it. Like, for example, I could move this one up this way and move this one over that way and move this one over this way. And I can start squeezing all this stuff together to where when I zoom in, I can read it all. Okay? So that becomes kind of an important thing. I also want to be able to see sort of what's going on in Rhino directly adjacent to it. Okay? So I need to be able to kind of see the two together. So when you guys submit homework assignments, the image part is supposed to be something like this. Now here's your actual assignment. Okay? So the assignment is asking you for 3 images and 3 grasshopper files. All right? The first image is just the Earth's rotation around the sun with the declination. So all that's going to be is going to be the sun sphere, right? A XY grid that declines and goes around the sun declined. That's what the first one is. The second one is going to be the second definition, which is the one that's behind my screen here, that shows how you constructed the lines of lat and lon. So that's what that definition looks like. Finally, the third one is going to be where you take those 2 definitions and you bring them together into a new, let's call it super definition, a big one, right? And you use the surf param, or not surf, I'm sorry, the curve param and the orient tool to take the lines of longitude and latitude, squeeze them into a param, and then take the contents of that param and put it on that angled, declined plane that runs around the sun. Okay? This is an image that shows what the definition should look like when it's uploaded, and this is kind of squeezed, so I can full screen it if you want. I should be able to read the components, and I should be able to see kind of a picture of what they're doing. Okay? All right, does that help as far as recording? All right, so that's your homework for the next class. I was told I'm going to send an email to make sure that Grasshopper is functional, not Grasshopper, that Ladybug is functional in all of the labs on the floor. Okay? So I'll see you all on Thursday.